Things software developers should never say. Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps and build custom software solutions for companies. With a decade of executive leadership as a fractional CTO and 25 years in software development, I've mastered transforming tech teams and products. Today we're going to talk about some things that software developers should never say. Just trust me, with my 25 years of software development experience, these are things that I would never suggest that you say. Let's dive into those today. Number 1, it works on my machine. The classic developer defense. While it might be true that your code runs perfectly on your local setup, it's a phrase that offers zero solutions to the problem at hand. Instead of shutting down the conversation, try to understand why it's not working somewhere else and collaborate on a fix. Blaming the environment doesn't help anybody. It's about teamwork, not passing the buck. Remember, if the only place your code works is on your machine, it's still not really working. Next, that's not my job. In a fast-paced world of tech, flexibility is key. Saying that's not my job can make you seem uncooperative and unwilling to help your team. Instead, consider taking the opportunity to learn something new or to support a colleague. Being a team player is crucial, especially when everyone is working towards a common goal. Plus, expanding your skill set is never a bad thing. Next time you're tempted to utter this, think twice about uttering that. I can't fix that. As a developer, problem solving is part of the job. So saying I can't fix that not only undermines your capabilities, but also signals a defeatist attitude. Instead, frame it as a challenge you're willing to tackle if you don't have the immediate solution. Now, it may not be the priority, and so you want to make sure that you stage how much work that is, but your willingness to find a solution is what counts. It's all about showing resilience and determination. So make sure you go back and check out our previous coding videos, because we love to help train software developers so that you can be more resilient. All right, next one. It's just a small change. Well, we've all been there and underestimated the time and effort required for what seems to be like a minor tweak. This phrase can set unrealistic expectations and lead to last-minute crunches. Instead, give a realistic estimate and explain the potential complexities involved. Small changes can have a big implications, especially in large code bases. Communication is key to managing expectations, so always be honest about the scope of work involved. And even if you think it's going to be small, be careful to say the word small. Say, well, I think that's something we can tackle, or something like that. All right, the next one. I didn't test it. Testing is an integral part of the development process, and skipping it is a recipe for a disaster. Admitting you didn't test your code is like saying you didn't do your job properly. It can lead to critical issues down the line and reflect poorly on your professionalism. Always take the time to test your work thoroughly before handing it off. It's better to catch issues earlier than to deal with the fallout later. Testing isn't optional, it's essential. Next one. That's impossible. Declaring something impossible is a surefire way to stifle innovation. The tech world thrives on pushing boundaries and finding solutions to complex problems. Instead of shutting down ideas, explore possibilities and potential workarounds. What seems impossible today might just be a challenge waiting for the right approach. So keep an open mind, and that's crucial. All right, the next one. It's not a priority right now. Prioritization is important, but dismissing the issue with phrases like that can create frustrations and bottlenecks. Instead, communicate clearly about timelines and reasoning behind your priorities. Understanding the broader context can help teams stay aligned and focused. It's all about transparency and collaboration. Addressing the concerns openly can prevent misunderstandings. Priorities can shift, but clear communication is always in the vogue. Next one that I just can't stand hearing. That's not how we do it here. This phrase can be a major roadblock to innovation and improvement. Just because something has always been done a certain way doesn't mean it's the best or only way to do it. Be open to new ideas and approaches and encourage others to bring fresh perspectives. The tech industry evolves rapidly, and so should your methods. Embrace change and innovation. It's what keeps us moving forward. Next one. This code is perfect. Now, confidence is great, but claiming your code is perfect can come off arrogant and unrealistic. There's always room for improvement, and peer reviews can help catch issues you might have missed. Stay humble and open to feedback. Continuous improvement is the name of the game. Remember, even the best developers make mistakes. So, a great way to avoid some of these is to go back and check out our previous videos so that you can see some of the great coding samples that we have, because we have hundreds of free coding samples. Our last one for today is I'm too busy. Now, everybody's busy, but saying this can outright be dismissive and unhelpful. Instead, communicate your current workload and discuss how to prioritize tasks effectively. Offering a timeline for when you can assist shows that you're willing to help immediately. It's all about managing expectations and being a team player. Finding a balance between current tasks and new requests is key. Being busy is understandable, but communication is crucial. Now, what do you think? Do you agree? Do you disagree? What are your thoughts on Founders Mode? Everybody has an opinion here, so I'd love to hear yours. Send me a comment down below and make sure you like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions for companies. So like and subscribe and check us out, and we'll talk to you next time.